How to change your username on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your username on Spotify. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and also make sure to subscribe to the channel to never miss an update. Now what we will do is, in order to change our name or username on Spotify, it's relatively very simple. First, just make sure to update the Spotify app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Spotify, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Spotify app, now I want you to go over and then simply launch it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, obviously you can see this is how it is going to look like. So if you want to change your Spotify name, just tap on the gear icon, which is the settings button from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the gear icon, you will see this kind of interface, and here you will see your name. You just need to tap on the option called view profile, and once you do that, you have to select the option called edit profile. So let me just wait until this page actually loads up. So as you can see, you will see this kind of interface. Now here what you have to do is you have to select the option called edit profile. Once you tap on edit profile, you'll be able to see your name. You can just go ahead and enter the new name that you want to change to, and you can see this could be your first name or a nickname. I'll show how you appear on Spotify, and just tap on the save button on the top right corner in order to go ahead and then change the name on Spotify. And that's all it takes to change the name or username on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.